Thank you for joining us to learn more about the Global Surgical Training Challenge and how you and your team can prepare to submit your application. In this short video, we will answer some of the most common questions about the Global Surgical Training Challenge. We will explain what the challenge is, who can participate, what the key deadlines are, and how you and your team can apply. The challenge launched earlier this year. We're inviting teams from around the world to design and develop novel and low-cost surgical training modules. These modules will be used in low-resource countries to train and assess skills among surgical practitioners and trainees. Our panel of judges will award up to $5 million over the next 3 years through a series of awards: the Discovery Awards, the Finalist Awards, and the Grand Prize. We are addressing two important issues with this challenge. The first is that traditional surgical training methods can be expensive. The second issue is that the surgical training can be resource intensive. These constraints make it difficult for practitioners in low or middle income countries to receive training. The Intuitive Foundation is the challenge sponsor. Nesta Challenges is proud to partner with them and with MIT Solve in the design and coordination of this challenge. We invite experts from a variety of backgrounds and expertise to form or join teams to develop innovative solutions. Teams can include clinicians, like surgeons, surgical practitioners, medical educators, or non-clinical experts such as engineers, developers, or gaming experts can also contribute their know-how. Also, medical illustrators and artists can be on the teams. One requirement is that the team lead is from a low or middle income country. Competing teams must have team members that fulfill at least 3 key roles: educator, clinician, and technical expert. We opened the application process for the Discovery Awards on September 16, 2020. The Discovery Awards are initial grants to allow teams to develop and test their prototype surgical modules. The deadline for these applications is November 11, 2020. The challenge's judging panel will select up to 10 teams to receive Discovery Awards. The Finalist Awards are grants that allow 3 to 5 teams to further develop and improve their original prototypes. The $1 million Grand Prize will be awarded in January 2023. The judging panel will determine which of the finalist teams has most successfully developed their original prototype and created the most impact. Before you submit your application, there are a few things you should prepare. You should be prepared to answer these important questions. Which skills does your module train? How does your solution improve upon the current methods of training? How will practitioners assess their learning? What documentation will you provide so the module is easily replicable? Who is on your team to fulfill the educational, technical, and clinical roles? Applicants will need to complete an online application through the Intuitive Foundation's grant application system. Our international panel of judges will use a specific framework to judge applications based on these criteria: how novel or innovative the module is, the cost and ease of replicating the module, and how accessible it is. It is critical that the solution and accompanying documentation be made available for free. Before your team submits an application, please visit our website to download and review important documents. These include detailed eligibility criteria, our Innovator Handbook, terms and conditions, and frequently asked questions. If you still have questions, you can email us at globalsurgicaltraining@challenges.org. Thank you for joining us.